The way we interact with computers is drastically changing. The next step in this evolution, breaking digital worlds out of a small screen and integrating them with our environment. Augmented reality gives us the ability to enhance our surroundings with virtual objects, characters and information. With applications ranging from gaming to education, retail, medicine and smart cities, AR is fast growing and full of potential. Designed by certified Unity instructors and programmers, the Augmented Reality Mini degree will provide you with all you need to know to create immersive AR games and applications. From the basics of coding to working with AR Foundation, EasyAR, AR Core, and ARKit. Zenva Academy is a community of lifelong learners, innovators, and technologists. Join the ranks of our hundreds of thousands of students who've gone on to publish games, advance their careers, and even start companies, and enjoy the flexibility of watching our courses from all devices, anywhere, at any time. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see the apps that you'll create.